Hi friends, I'm Amsi Krishna. So today I'm going to show you a very best item, very best the product which I'm going to tell you, that is about vegetable chopper. This vegetable chopper is really an excellent product where you can easily use to cut vegetables, different types of vegetables. The first different types of vegetables means the very easy method. You can easily cut like brinjal, onion, tomato, beans, ladyfinger, potatoes. So these kinds of vegetable items where you can easily cut with vegetable chopper. So today I'm going to show you a very good product with a very less of cost. In this product you can easily cut these vegetable items, like I already told you, like potatoes, tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger. So this is I'm going to show you. This product is really excellent, friends. I bought this product just only of just 10 to 15 days before. This is really excellent, where you doesn't need it won't take more time. You can easily cut the potatoes also. Suppose I'll tell you this particular vegetable chopper, where you can see the size of this particular vegetable chopper size. This product is excellent, and in this you can easily cut any vegetable item. Suppose here you see the top of this and bottom, here you can easily get, there are three blades here. Already there are three blades are there. In this, just you need to like this. Here it will be there like this, and you have to open this chopper. It's very easy. Just open it like this. You will see the inside of this vegetable chopper box, and it is very nice. It's really excellent, I want to say, friends. So here you can see some blades are there. So these blades are there. It will easily cut the vegetables, very easily cuts within just only 1 to 2 minutes. Within not even 1 minute, it will take only 8 to 9 seconds with three blades of this particular vegetable chopper. Here you need to insert this. It will be insert like this. See how it is rotating. How is rotating? It's very nice, very nice. And if you want to buy this, I really prefer. I have used this. I'm using this since 10 to 15 days. As I already told you, I purchased this one, and it is very nice product, friends. I suggest you to buy this product. If you want to buy this vegetable chopper product, in the description there is a link is there below. If you see below, there is a description in the below in the description there is a link is there. If you check that, you can easily find the details of this particular product. I really prefer, with very less of cost, you can easily cut any vegetables. Here you can close like this. Something like, just you can close like this. It's very nice. Just how it is, how it looks, very nice, no? So just open this. What you have to do is just put any onion, potato, just cut the onion into two pieces and put this pieces just like only two pieces. Just you have to do like this, like this, like this, like this. Just only 2 or 3 times. Just if you do like this, 1, 2, 3, each and everything it will be corrected. I will show you everything. Just open this and put this particular three blades inside perfectly. And for suppose there is a something like a potato, so I kept it like this, and what I have done is I kept it this one potato inside, just like this. Just what I will do is I will do just 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll show you the pieces, friends. See how it has been cut. So to cut the potatoes, it will take some time. But if you see, this vegetable chopper is really nice. I prefer to purchase this product. There is a link is there in the description below, friends. Just if you want to know the details, just see the mean the link which is available in the description below. I prefer to buy this product. It is excellent product, friends. So inside you can see just 1 2 3 more than it is not been taken, only 5 to 6 seconds only, not even 15 seconds or 12 seconds. Within 5 to 6 seconds the potatoes has been cutted. You can see it perfectly. You can see it perfectly, friends. Okay, friends. Now here I have taken another one, that is onion. This is onion which I have cutted only one piece. I am putting one piece here and I am keeping this one. Just I closed. Now what I am doing is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. How many minutes, friends? Just only 8 to 9 seconds or 10 seconds maximum. I will show you again. I will show you perfectly. See the onions. See friends. This is the best product. Simple product with very less of cost. Very less of cost, friends. You can see here inside the potatoes have been cutted and see the onions. Onions have been cutted, friends. Really excellent product. If you want to know the details, just see the description, see the link in the description below. You'll find the full details. So friends, I'm going to cut another potato. This is the second potato. You can easily find this. Keep like this inside. Once again, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. See, friends, the potatoes as well as onions together perfectly cutted. How it is made with 3 blades. Excellent product. I prefer to purchase this product. Just in the description below you'll find the details. Just purchase the product, friends, in the description below. So if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you'll get my updated next videos. Thank you so much.